Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Dave Adams. In today's video, we're going to discuss paragraphs and how they're used. The paragraph tag defines a paragraph. You may have knowledge on what a paragraph is from writing essays and all that in school. So a paragraph starts on a new line as conventional paragraphs work, and browsers automatically add some margins before and after the paragraph. What this means, or what I've said on this topic in previous videos, is the fact that the browser adds default values, more specifically spacing, default spacing to the various elements until you specify otherwise. So that's exactly what this line is saying. The browser automatically removes extra spacing and extra lines in HTML code when displayed. However, the pre-tags can be used to format text with extra spaces. So basically, I think I've hit on this point in one of my videos that browsers remove extra white spaces. So when you leave spaces between text, the browser just leaves one space. You may want to have spacing of maybe four units, but a browser will remove those 3 extra units and then apply just 1 unit until you want to use the pre-tag, which is for pre-formatted text. So within the pre-tag, if you decide to leave 5 units of space, it will be applied by the browser. And we'll explore this in Visual Studio Code when we start coding. The BR tag can be used to create a new line within a paragraph. So the second statement says a paragraph always starts on a new line. But in case you want to start on a new line within a paragraph, or you don't want to start a new paragraph, you can use the BR tags to do this. Now we're going to go into Visual Studio Code to hit on today's points. Now going into Visual Studio Code, we have our code from our bonus CSS video. So I'm just going to comment this out. In fact, I'm going to clear this. And then we're going to talk about today's agenda, which is paragraphs. I'm just going to create 2 paragraphs. I'm going to give this one a class of lead and this one a class of follow. The paragraphs should be on one line. Yes, now we have 2 paragraphs. I'm going to demonstrate how the spacing works. So this is a paragraph. Now let's check this in the browser to see how it looks. And that's all we have. Now let's say I want to have extra spacing between the and a paragraph. I'm going to save this and we're going to check in the browser. It's still the same spacing. However, if we go ahead and create a pre-tag and then paste the same text, we should have that spacing within the browser. And you can see that the spacing that we needed is right here within the pre-tag. So that's how the pre-tag works. And this is how the paragraph also works as well. Now, to use the BR tag, let's just say this is, let's see, this is another paragraph. But we want the paragraph to start on a new line. So what we can do is use the BR tag quickly. And when we go into the browser, we should see that the paragraph is sent to the next line. So that's how the BR tag works as well. It starts a new line within a paragraph if you don't want to start a new paragraph. So that's how. Now let's explore the various styling that we can apply to paragraphs. So we can just target the paragraph element, and we can change the color. Make it blue for now, and it's right there. We may want to align the text to the center, and we have text that's aligned to the center. There are various values for text align. Could be right, and that will work as well. Could be justify, and when you apply justify, when you apply text align justify, you may want to go with interword. That's the most common way of justifying text. And we may also use font style. You can go with italic. You can go with oblique. This is how it looks. And you can also go with the normal, which is the default value. Some of these values are applied by default, so you don't have to specify if you're not going to change them, like font style, for instance. Yeah. So basically, that's all about paragraphs. I did some styling in the bonus CSS video, so I'll urge you to check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and share. In the next video, we're going to talk about HTML lists.